Welcome to Journey Compass. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour of Ireland, exploring some of its most enchanting destinations. From stunning landscapes to rich history, Ireland has something for everyone. Let's dive in. Cliffs of Moher. Our first stop is the iconic Cliffs of Moher. These dramatic cliffs rise majestically from the Atlantic Ocean, offering breathtaking views and unforgettable experiences. Dublin. Next, we head to Dublin, the vibrant capital of Ireland. Explore the historic streets, visit the Guinness Storehouse, and immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of this dynamic city. Ring of Kerry. The Ring of Kerry is our next destination, a scenic drive through picturesque landscapes, charming villages, and rugged coastline. Don't forget your camera, as every turn offers a new photo opportunity. Giant's Causeway. No trip to Ireland is complete without a visit to the Giant's Causeway. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is renowned for its unique rock formations, formed millions of years ago. Galway. Our final destination is Galway, a charming city known for its vibrant arts scene, traditional Irish music, and warm hospitality. Explore the cobblestone streets and immerse yourself in the local culture. Killarney National Park. Our journey begins in Killarney National Park, home to rugged mountains, serene lakes, and lush forests. Take a stroll along the pristine paths or hop on a boat to explore the tranquil waters of Loch Lean. Blarney Castle. Next, we visit Blarney Castle, where legend has it that kissing the Blarney Stone grants you the gift of the gab. Climb to the top of the castle, lean back, and give it a kiss for good luck. Dingle Peninsula. The Dingle Peninsula is our next stop, a place of stunning beauty and rich history. Drive along the winding coastal roads, stopping to admire the breathtaking views and explore ancient ruins. The Burren. Venturing to the west coast, we arrive at the Burren, a unique limestone landscape that is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. Explore the otherworldly terrain and discover the hidden gems of this fascinating region. Connemara National Park. Our final destination is Connemara National Park, a place of rugged beauty and untamed wilderness. Hike through the stunning landscapes, keeping an eye out for the park's resident wildlife, including wild ponies and red deer. Rock of Cashel. Our first stop is the Rock of Cashel, a medieval fortress perched atop a hill in County Tipperary. Explore the ancient ruins and soak in the breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. Belfast. Next, we head to Belfast, the capital of Northern Ireland. Immerse yourself in the city's rich history with a visit to the Titanic Belfast Museum or take a stroll through the vibrant streets of the Cathedral Quarter. The Wild Atlantic Way. No trip to Ireland is complete without a drive along the Wild Atlantic Way. This scenic coastal route stretches over 2,500 kilometers, offering stunning views of rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, and charming seaside villages. Kylemore Abbey. Venturing into the heart of Connemara, we arrive at Kylemore Abbey. This stunning castle is set against the backdrop of the Connemara Mountains and is surrounded by beautiful gardens and woodlands. Dublin. Our final destination is Dublin, where old world charm meets modern sophistication. Explore the historic streets of Temple Bar, visit the iconic Trinity College, and enjoy a pint of Guinness at the famous Guinness Storehouse. Ireland is a land of beauty and wonder, with each destination offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you're exploring ancient castles or marveling at the rugged coastline, Ireland will capture your heart. Thanks for joining us on Journey Compass. Until next time, happy travels.